Hi, my name is Miss Lynette. Just so we can talk about Abacus and Abacus class, I do have an Abacus online class available. Here is a little tour of my Abacus class. When you log in, I'll provide a username password after you register. Here is the main page, and there's a button here that says resume class. Well, I've already started this. But what's going to say here is it would say start class or start course, and then it will go through all of the classes. When you start the class, it will now say resume. When it says resume, it will actually know where you left off, and it will take you back to your next lesson that I have in the class. So let's get started. Here's the introduction, and I still got to do a about your instructor, which I will be doing after this. Here, don't forget, we have our, oh, you know what? I didn't share my screen. No. There we go. So when you log in, this is what happens. You will get to my Abacus class that's online. It is all self-paced and it's pre-recorded. Usually the videos are about less than 5 minutes, and every lesson has a worksheet to go with it. When you start, this button here, this blue button will say start course or start class. And then you can start the class. It will start from the first lesson. Then when you start going through my class, it will change to say resume course. And that means that if you left off in lesson 2, it will go back and take you back to lesson 2 so you could finish the whole thing so you could go to the next lesson. So in this example, when I select resume course, it will take me to where I left off, which was +2 thumb up, and I set the horizontal lineup. So this is how it looks like. We have the video. See here, this is only 1.5 minutes, roughly, right? There is, every lesson will have a file to download. This file is for you to do the exercises. So every lesson has an exercise worksheet. This is an example what it looks like. So in the description, I have a picture of what the exercise is supposed to look like. And then on the right, here is the navigation for the rest of the unit. So this is the unit for simple adding +2. So on the Abacus, we add +2. Don't forget to have your Abacus ready because that's what we're here for, right? So you have your Abacus. I have this one, which is very colorful, but if you have a brown one, that's fine too. It works just the same. As long as you have the one that has one bead on top, one bead on top and 4 beads on the bottom. This is the one that we are using. Now notice that all the beads are down touching the beam. Well, when we work with the Abacus, don't have it vertical. What you want to do is you want to have it lying down flat on the table, and then you push all the beads up, and then you could start working on the Abacus. So that's what the Abacus is, and how to use the student Abacus, to use a student Abacus. Okay, so back to here. Again, we have every lesson should have a file. If not, email me and I will upload it. I will upload it as soon as possible. And then I try to add activities to each of the unit. So this one specifically is unit 2. Now, if you want to, so now here, let's say we finish everything. Notice that I have a check mark. So this means I have completed this lesson. And then right now I'm in the current lesson, which is +2 thumb up horizontal lineup. And then this will take me to the next category. This category is +3. It should be +3 thumb up. Right. And it takes a little bit, it takes a little while for it to all come through. So here, this is my unit 4, and I'll just click on the thumb up Abacus, and it will take me back to the navigation where all the video is and the rest of the unit. And again, here is the lesson, the worksheet on the right. If you would like more worksheets, go ahead and email me, and I'll send over some more worksheets if you wanted to have extra practice. And so that's what that is. And then I also have flashcards. It's called flashcards, or it can be called, what is it called? Computer listening. So what I did here was I explained. So here it says flashcard, simple addition, 1 digit, 2 lines, and I'm explaining it. So when I go into it, I actually say what the questions are, and then I work it out on the Abacus. So it looks like this. There is again an answer sheet, and here, and then you can download the answer sheet and you can answer the sheet as we go through the video. And then there's the ones with answers, but I don't show how to do it on the Abacus. It just looks like this. And then the next one, which is flashcard, simple addition, 1 digit, 2 lines, question, but no answers. The answers are actually, you have to print it out if you want to take a look. You have to download that separately. I didn't want to add it to the same file because I was afraid that the students will see the answers. So that's what that is. And that's the overview. And that's it. We carry on and we keep going through questions and Abacus, and then I have explanations. Oh, before I forget, there's this. I'm calling it plus. Where is it? +5 with who? Here, +5. Nope. Keep going. Here it is. +5 with who? This is the introduction to the addition fact family. With the addition fact family, there is a book. If you want the book, I can mail it to you. Just send me your email, and it's part of my class. So all you have to do is pay shipping and handling. But if you don't want the book and you just want to go through the class, every lesson still has a worksheet to download. So that's still there. But if you wanted a book in book form, I have it. So again, just email me, and you just have to pay shipping and handling, and I'll send this to you for free. So that's part of the class. This is part of my class, and I really like this book. If you're not part of my class, you can buy this book from Amazon. It is available. If you want the link, let me know, and I will send it. Actually, it should be in the description. So yeah, so that's that. And then, I'm going to have more books that are coming through. I just have to get them published and get it all ready. So that is an overview of my class. And then we keep going. We actually go all the way to addition. We do addition, subtraction, we do multiplication and division on the Abacus, and then I'll go into how to do it by the image, like image Abacus, and mental math, where we can think about the Abacus in your mind. And so we would go through the same process, but then because you've already seen it once on the Abacus, you could see it again with the paper, and then you see it again without the paper. So that is my class. That's the overview of how my class is structured. This is an online Abacus class that is self-paced. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you later. See you later, alligator.